Hello guys, this is Jeff again, your host. Today we'll be talking about various shapes that come out when your opponent invades Tier 3. Um, I think after AlphaGo and all the AIs that came out in Go, a lot of players are just invading 3-3 like crazy. Like, they're like 3-3 hoggers, like they love 3-3. So today we'll be talking about how you can handle 3-3. It's for beginners, so obviously I'm going to show a lot of Josekis that come out from a 3-3 invasion. So let's start with the first basic Joseki. Let's say you're white, and you have a 4-4 point. Now, black just invades. What can you do? Now, you can't just play anywhere here or here, like a jump or a knight's move. You need to block either here or either here. Now, let's say you have one stone here. Then you want to block here. Because by blocking it, you're going to make a wall this way. There's going to be a wall, your stone, so your shape looks really big. But let's say there's no stones there, and you can block either way. You can either block here and here. Let's say we just block here. Then black extends. The common Joseki is white Hanes. Black goes under. White extends. Black extends. White extends. And in the past, they just all black Haned, white blocked, black connected, white blocked that way. But it seems like these days, black actually goes one more. So now white can't play elsewhere because black playing here is too good. So now white has to extend one more time. And as a beginner, I recommend you guys to do the Hanes and stuff. But if you guys get better at Go, you guys can just leave it in this shape. Because these days they don't do the Hanes anymore. But I'll show you the completed form. Black Hanes. Now white doesn't want black to escape. So white blocks. Now if black doesn't play anywhere, like black plays there, white captures this one black stone, and this move became a waste. You just gave 3 points to the enemy. So, black connects, and now white plays this move. The reason why white plays this instead of this is because this in the future, if black plays there, at the end game, white just has to do one move, and black has to block. And now, white has Sente, so white can play anywhere else. However, let's say black connected, strong. Well, black will do the same move. White will block. Black will block, connect. And now white has to invest one more move, and black still has Sente. That is the reason why we played this move. So this is a very common shape. So if your opponent invades 3-3, this is one way you can deal with it. Let's see another way you can deal with it. Let's say you're white here. Black invades. Now in this case, you gave the territory to black, and you got a very strong wall. But let's say you lack in territory and you want territory. What can you do? Well, let's say you block either way. Let's say you block there. Black extends like normally. White Hanes. Black goes under, so black's like, I guess I'm gonna get the territory. But then, this is the most important part. You have to double Hane. Now, black cannot just connect. Black has to cut and put Atari to that white stone. White connects. Black Ataris this white stone. White Ataris that black stone, forcing black to take this. So black does take him. Then white extends there and captures these two stones. And some people might wonder, what happens if black just goes out that way? Like, isn't black alive still? Not really. White can block this way. Black tries to escape. White blocks. Let's say, I don't know, black do something crazy. Black do something crazy, like black cuts. Well, white just Atari this black group. Even if black tries to save it, white plays there and is captured. Let's try to look at another variation then. Instead of black playing there, black plays there. Well, white just Ataris these three stones. Now, black can't do this because white just captures. So, in conclusion, these two black stones are dead. But instead, black got some Panuki here. So, this is the continuation for black normally. Either knights move this way, or black can either push. So let's see. This is the variation that happens when you want territory. So now, let's say black invades again, but you don't really care about having territory. You just want wall, or you just want like a pretty good wall and a sente. The important word is sente. In this case, white's last move was here. So now black had sente, so black could play anywhere else. But in this case, white wants sente. Let's say white blocks either way, that way. Black extends. White doesn't hane. If white hanes, black will get sente. So if you want sente, you just extend. And a normal variation for black is a knight's move and to live. And now white has sente, so white can do whatever white wants. So this move is played when white wants sente. But sometimes black doesn't want white to get sente, and black might just push. Well, in this case, white hanes. Remember the hane. Black goes underneath, and now white can get sente and place elsewhere. The reason is because black's Atari here is too slow at the beginning. So the black's Atari on this white stone is too slow. So in a lot of professional games, white just do that, and white plays elsewhere. The last shape that I will be talking about would be when you have a knight's enclosure, like this. Now as a beginner you might think, alright, because I've enclosed it, this is all my territory. But you are a little wrong. So let's say black invades. Now no one will really block it this way. So white blocks that way. So black extends. White hanes. Black hanes. White blocks. Now this is the most important part for black. If black makes the wrong move, black just dies. The most important move is here. It's not to connect, it's here. White Ataris. Black starts a ko. this is how black can live in the corner. If black wins, then yeah, black has the corner, and white really has nothing except kind of a wall. So these are the 4 shapes that are most common in Go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something, hopefully. And I'll see you guys later.